Hello guys, how are you? You are watching on the screen the plastic bottles used for the flower pots, different shapes, different flower bottles. You are watching different colorful flower planted in the plastic waste bottles. The different colorful pots making with the plastic bottles. You are watching on the screen the uh, big bottle used on the dispenser. uh, they are plant uh, in the use for the plant pot. You are watching the many more bottles used for the plant. You are watching the three color red, pink and yellow, uh, and you are watching now the bottle darts made for plant pot and the colorful flowers. You are watching the colorful bottles used for colorful flowers and decoration piece wall hanging. You are watching on the screen different colors, doll making for the bottles. You are watching a basket making with foaming sheet and bottles. You are watching on the screen flower pot uh, making the doll shape, the with the use of the used plastic bottles uh, on the colorful. And you are watching on the screen the tire and pipes used for plants, the baskets used for stands. You are watching on the screen duck making with the bottles, some flowers making with the plastic bottles, uh, wonderful colorful wind chime making with the bottles, wonderful craft you are watching on the screen. mm, Beautiful colorful plant pot making with the plastic bottles. Mm, you are watching another craft with the uh, plastic bottles, dots, colorful cartoon characters making with the waste plastic bottles. You are watching the screen white, red and white.